You! Subway, let's go! Oh. It's only us in this restaurant. Yeah. Good. You're doing really good. Yeah, I love Gatorade, so my mom grabbed me some.
You want two?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, please.
It's gonna be you want 2 footlongs or a footlong and a half?
Can I have 2 footlongs, please?
I can't believe he eats all that. It's so skinny. Okay, it's gonna be on artisan Italian bread.
Yep.
2 footlongs. Yes, please.
Yeah. Now all we have to wait.
Where do kids put all that? If I ate 2, I'd be 300 pounds. I would.
Guys, I'm not gonna face reveal. I'm not gonna face reveal the person.
Must be, huh? Yeah.
You. Alright, perfect. Well, look at that bread. It's gonna be so good.
He's hungry, really, really hungry. He's like, he hasn't eaten. Have you eaten anything today? Oh, cupcakes. Yeah, that's not very good for you.
Not
So
very
all
good
he
for
wants
me.
is grilled cheese, both. So it's gonna be American cheese double.
You, American cheese. You, cheese.
And the roast beef looks good.
On both or just one?
Both, just.
You, both.
He doesn't like meat.
Yeah.
Alright, she's gonna put the cheese in my grilled cheese. You.
Any other sandwiches tonight?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Just the cheese. Grilled cheese.
Do you want chips?
Sure.
Chips, and then we have a Gatorade for him.
Okay. And we're toasting these, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh. Now they're gonna toast the grilled cheese. You. If it goes into the oven. Yep.
Want some spinach in it?
What?
Some spinach? Lettuce?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Yo. Okay. Yep. Oh, it's done. Okay. Wow.
Okay, what topping?
You want anything on it?
Let's see.
We have tomatoes. I know he likes tomatoes. We have lettuce, this kind, and they have regular right there, iceberg. They have, got it. Go.
No toppings.
No? Okay. Yep.
Yep. All right. Okay. You.
Want some cookies?
Sure. Chocolate chip, please.
How many you want?
I want 4.
4? Okay, and let's get you, we'll get 5, and then we'll get a raisin for Daddy.
Yeah. Oh.
A raspberry cheesecake for Daddy.
Yeah.
And she has all of them.
Oh, first time in a long time.
Yeah.
So how many cookies on?
We're gonna take 5 chocolate chip and 1 raspberry cheesecake.
Yeah.
And I get 1 too.
After that, we're gonna pay checkout.
Oh, here. Okay. What you doing?
Oh. Yeah, give me the
There's
credit
our
card.
cookie.
Okay, I'm not gonna show the ID.
The number's on the other side of this.
Does this use tap?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does. Thank you.
You said 5
one-
chocolate
and 1 raspberry cheesecake.
raspberry.
Yep. Yep.
I like the music in here today.
So
So which chips did you want, sweetheart? Pick one.
wait. Yeah, here. I hadn't got Doritos for a long time. I'm gonna grab some. Yep,
I got
Doritos.
you some, but you had stomach virus last week, but you didn't want them. I threw
Yeah.
them away. I opened them.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna tap it in this way. Can you tap it this way?
I think so.
Wait, what? Okay.
Gosh, I'll let you know when.
had 6 cookies?
Mm-hmm.
6 cookies.
Remember, food costs money.
And because he just got bread and cheese, I just charged you for 2 more cookies. Because we
Oh.
don't have a bread and cheese button.
Oh, thank you. That's
Yeah.
nice.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Comes to 11:51.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Tap.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Do we push the tip now or after we tap?
Oh, now.
No, okay, so give her a tip. Always tip
Okay, which tip?
20%.
20%.
Okay, and then you tap.
Yeah, let's tap.
There you go. You did it.
All right.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good night. Enjoy your food, buddy.
Thank you. Yummy, yummy grilled cheese. All right, let's go eat it.